Hey my friends, what's going on? Cater here on a beautiful day, my friend. What's going on with your life? What's going on with your land? How you doing today? How you feeling? So pound that for watching this video. Pow! So guys, in this video today, we're gonna be talking about Shopify 8 tips to actually grow your store. Now the reason I'm making this video, guys, is because Michael, what's going on if you watch this video? One of my students, Michael, asked me this question. Yo, Cater, you know, what's up with everybody having a store now? It's totally crazy. The competition is getting really stiff out there because of the low entry barrier. So everybody that's coming in now, it's like with e-commerce or even Shopify, let's be real. You know, everybody and their mama got a store. Everybody and their auntie, their uncle, it's like the new gold rush. It's like, yo, you gotta get one. Everybody's getting one. So the fact that the competition is getting really stiff, I mean, you might not want to say it, but for real, everybody that I know now is having a store. So now it's getting very competitive. So how, out of all the competition, how can you grow? I'm going to give you 8 tips that you can actually use. So 8 of them that you can actually use to grow your store and take it to the next level. Okay, number 1. You go hard, right? You go hard or you go home. Guys, I can tell you, you can change your life. Alright, let's talk about number 1, which is test more product. Now, the more product you test, that gives you an edge over the competition. Because the competition, right, if they test 1 or 2 products, they haven't seen any success, they're more likely gonna quit. Now, if you're a frequent tester and you set it up where you're gonna be testing, you know, 4 to 5 products every week, you know, you're gonna test 10 to 15 products every week. The more products you have on your store, the likelihood of getting more people to buy different stuff on your store, and you're gonna start generating sales as you start getting traffic. We're not gonna get into traffic yet. We'll keep that one for last. So number 1, you want to have more product. Like back in the days, like in the libraries, right? So people would have books. The reason why Amazon explodes so much and it's such a big business with what Jeff Bezos did is, when you think about the regular library, I mean, if you go to the regular library, how many books can they actually stash? You know, how many books can they actually have on the shelf? It's crazy to the amount of books. If you think about from every genre, from cooking, from music, to dance, to everything people want to learn, self-help, to anything that people can actually find into books, how many books can they actually hold? Because it holds space. Now you think about Amazon, all they need is the picture. They can have unlimited. So therefore, it's skyrocket. If you talk about Amazon versus Barnes and Nobles, it's totally different as how much volume they're getting now with the ability of the internet. So when you store more product, guess what? You are able to actually make more sales and get more people. When they come and they see another product that, oh, this is cool, they ended up adding it to the cart. Then they see another one, oh, this is cool. So you make it a goal to stash more and more product every single day as you start growing your store. The second thing we want to talk about is make your store mobile. So therefore, concentrate also on mobile traffic. Why? If you think about the internet, before mobile take over, when we had desktop, think about 2001, 2002, I don't know if you had a desktop, or 2004, if you had a regular computer. So that was the internet booming. So everybody was online, right? This is called the era of the internet boom. See, everybody was online, but they wasn't using the cell phone. If you think about it, people didn't start, when we had cell phone, we started having little games. So people started spending time on their cell phone. They had game, and then we had like Angry Birds. People were still playing more games on their phone than being actually online. But nowadays, the traffic, it's about 85%. 85% of the traffic is coming from mobile. So if your store is not mobile, you're killing yourself in the foot, because most of the time you're gonna catch your customers on their cell phone. So tip number 2, make sure that your store is mobile. You know, because desktop traffic is a lot less now than it used to be back in the days. Now, unless you do that for a living, like you're an internet marketer, you mostly don't even, some people don't even log into the computer like weekly. They probably go into the desktop maybe once a week, the average person. But I guarantee you, every day this little thing is attached to them. Every single day they can get the email notification on social media, everything retargeting. So make your store mobile, that way you're not losing on the mobile traffic. Okay, so number three, another tip to grow your store is to give free shipping to certain type of customers. So you can actually even have a banner. I see people done it on their store. You might have seen it. You know, it really increase sales and help you get more sales. You know, like $50 free shipping. If you spend $50 on my store, you know, you can actually even download a bar and you can put it on your store where if you spend $100, you get free shipping. Incentivize you to actually get more. When they buy more, they'll actually spend more with you. Okay, so the next thing that we want to talk about, number 4, is customer retention. Now, when we talk about customer retention in online marketing business, we understand that it is easier to sell to someone who already bought from you than someone you're trying to convince to actually buy from you. So it costs you less money to sell your previous customer than it is to acquire a new customer. Now, what happened with a lot of people that actually, they already have a store, they already have customers, and a lot of the time they always shift the focus on new product and new customers, and they don't pay attention to the people that they already have. So if you think about it, if you have a high customer retention, the people who actually come in, you want to focus on that by selling to those people, okay? Because 65% of those people will actually purchase from you because they already purchased before. A couple different ways you could do that is by email. So if you email those people frequently, what can you email them? You might say, hey, what can I email those people? Well, you email them when you add a new product. So if you're adding new product every day, you can email them every day because they're gonna see something new. Or if you're adding new product every other day or every week, you can email them of your new product. Email them of discount. So since they already bought from you, you can send them a discount. Email them on holidays. Like you can find little product on holidays, different holidays that's coming throughout the year. You can send those emails to them and say, hey, we have this holiday coming. Birthday, if you know their birthday, if you are able to even do a retargeting ad based on the people who are born in February, right now we're in March, based on February, and you can have them a special code, a special discount for the people that has their birthday in February. You can do repeat buyer discount. If they already bought from you, you could do a discount specifically for them. Another thing you could do is social media. Make sure that you take care of them on social media. So that's why I highly recommend right now, if you want to separate yourself from the competition, because it's very stiff out there. If your service is better, you make more of a killing. What I do, I hire VAs overseas. I did another video. If you're interested into seeing the video on how to hire VA for your Shopify store, I'll put a link right up here, right on top of me, and you can see that video. Walk you through the process. I actually give you the script and everything on how to hire those people. So what you do is have those people manage the Facebook pages for you so that you can always have your customers' questions answered. Don't take it personal if someone say, hey, I don't like this product or whatever. Don't take it too personal. If they need answers for some questions, just make sure you get them the answer and then you get it moving. All right, so number 5 we're going to be talking about in the 8 tips is product reviews. Now, product reviews are so powerful. One of the reasons why people buy products is when they see reviews. For example, my wife, when she's buying stuff, she cares so much about the reviews, and sometimes she would rather get something that's not what she intended to get because of the reviews, because everybody else said that's what's good and she's gonna get it. Most of the time she's looking to see what other people are saying about it. There's an app on your store you can actually add for review. You can actually go to your application on your store, download it for reviews, and then you can get other people to send reviews, and you get to approve those reviews. So if someone put like a 2-star or 1-star, you don't like it, you can actually don't let that goes through. And if you're interested in that app name, drop a comment down below. I'll maybe reply to your comment with the name of the app. But there's a couple of different apps you can actually use to do that, to get people to put comments after they buy from you. So when other people that comes, they see those comments, they see those reviews, they can upload pictures and videos. That's gonna increase your buyer's intention to actually get the product. So it's gonna get stuff a lot faster. Okay, number 6. Here's a cool tip that I want to give you that's gonna enable you to actually do more. Selling through storytelling. Now, selling through storytelling on your store is so powerful. A couple different ways you could do that is if you're selling stuff that has before and after picture. So if you have something that has results, it's results based. So think about before and after picture. If you can create a story from before and after picture, like I share one of my good friend's store with you. He doesn't mind. If you go to Skinny Me Tea skinnymeaty.com. That's one of the stores. They do a really great job at storytelling and showing picture of people before they were using the tea and after they drink the tea and how their body looks. Even if you're selling things, if you have before and after, you can create stories of people that actually use it and this is how they feel, because people, they're buying a feeling. For the most part, people, when you understand what people buy, they buy the emotion, they buy how they feel about this product, they buy the expectation. So that's what people are buying. So story sells, you know, facts tell and story sells. So if you want to take the approach of selling through stories, by creating stories, another way you could do that, if you have a store, create an Instagram, you know, and start creating daily. And you can even have your VAs kind of create stories on a daily. If it's food that you're selling, if it has to do with health and fitness, you know, think about food, think about, you know, giving people little tips in there, you know, 10 different food that you can eat to lose weight, you know, 10 fat burning or 5 fat burning fruits that you can actually eat. So people start seeing those content, you start gaining trust, and you know, with trust, it's a big factor in buying. So if you have your Instagram page every day that's creating content, you can even add a blog, but people don't read blog much. Remember what I said, it's all about this, right? So people's not driving and reading blog, but they driving, checking out Instagram, checking out the posts, checking out the pictures. So you can go that direction, creating a whole full Instagram that goes towards your store, that's going to increase buyers retention, that's going to increase also the intention of them buying a store from you by creating storytelling. Okay, and the next one is content marketing. Like I said, with content marketing, you could do your page, you could do your Facebook page if you have Facebook, you could do Instagram, and you could do your blog, because Shopify actually provide a blog with your platform. So if you want to go into blogging, you can even create content towards that. That's gonna help. Like I said, blogging, people don't read much, people don't read as much, but now people can dissect content, like video content, so are so powerful, you know, 10 minutes video, 5 minutes video, you know, to explain or to show, to express something, to inform. So anything that can help your customer make a buying decision, that's gonna increase your sales. You do that, you put it on there, and that's gonna help you separate yourself from the competition. All right, so number 8 that I want to share with you guys before I let you go, hopefully this stuff is valuable to you and you're taking it to the next level. Don't be scared of paid traffic, paid marketing. Now, if you really want to take it to the next level, what's gonna separate you from your competition is the fact that you are not being scared to test our product and to scale what's working and kill what's not working for you. You know, that's what happened. A lot of people, remember what I said earlier in the beginning? Everybody and their mama got a Shopify store now. It's like the new gold rush. Auntie, we're not leaving you behind. You got to get one. Yo, cousin, you need to have one. You need to have one of those. But where everybody gets stuck is traffic. Most people don't know how to drive traffic, or people that built a store and just like, okay, what's going on? Where's the traffic? It's not going to come, right? You got to be able to drive the traffic. There's a couple of different exceptions what's going to happen. If you already have a big following, like people ask all the time, why people like the Kardashian, their stores, they make so much money. They don't even do Facebook ads. Why? No, they got traffic. If you already have a traffic, you already built a page, you already have a brand, it's easy for you to just tell your people, hey, go buy my t-shirt, go buy my socks, go buy my new beauty line that I just installed. You already have the traffic, so traffic is very important. Now, if you don't have traffic, you can build 10 stores, 20 stores, you're still not gonna make money, which is the next step. So people come to me, they say, hey, what about the saying, build it, they'll come? Not on the internet, not anymore. Back in the days when people was just discovering the internet, if you build a page and now people are searching and they finding your page and more people start coming to it. But now people have preferences, they have choices. So you're not just gonna build a store and then people just automatically find it in Google and you start making money. It doesn't stop there. Creating a store is like nothing really. You can pay someone $50, $100 right now to create your nice looking store. So the next stage will always be traffic generation. If you learn how to get traffic, don't be afraid of doing Facebook ads. Don't be afraid of doing Google ads. Don't be afraid of testing stuff. That's what's gonna enable you to take your game to a whole next level, guys. Those are 8 tips that I want to share with you in this video today that's gonna enable you to grow your store and start making more money. So hopefully this stuff is valuable to you and you're gonna apply some of the stuff that you hear today, guys. If you have any questions, leave a question down below. That was your boy Cater. Appreciate you. Thank you. If you make it to the end of this video, you're gonna see a video over here. You're gonna see a playlist that talks about all my Shopify video, and you see another video over here that I'll instruct you more into e-commerce. I'll see you guys later. Pound that.